The Nigerian real estate market is booming, creating a growing demand for skilled and dedicated real estate agents. Whether you're based in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, or another vibrant city, a career in real estate offers exciting opportunities to connect with people, help them achieve their property goals, and build a rewarding business for yourself. This video takes you through the essential steps to becoming a successful real estate agent in Nigeria. 1. Education and skills development, laying the foundation. Minimum education requirement. While a real estate license isn't mandatory in Nigeria, a high school diploma is recommended. Completing a relevant post-secondary program in real estate, business, or marketing can give you a competitive edge. Develop essential skills. Hone your communication, negotiation, marketing, and customer service skills. Understanding the legalities of property transactions and staying informed about market trends are crucial assets. 2. Explore your options, choosing the right path. Becoming a real estate agent. You can work independently or join a reputable real estate agency. Agencies offer training, support, and access to a wider network of clients, but may take a commission cut from your earnings. Becoming a licensed real estate valuer. If your long-term goal is property valuation, consider pursuing a degree in estate management and registering with the Estate Surveyors and Valuers Registration Board of Nigeria, ISVARBON. This path requires a more in-depth educational commitment, but allows you to offer valuation services alongside brokerage. 3. Training and certification, sharpening your expertise. Enroll in professional courses. Many institutions offer real estate training programs covering topics like property valuation, marketing, legal aspects, and ethics. Certification from a recognized institution demonstrates your commitment and enhances your credibility. Join professional associations. Consider joining professional organizations like the Nigerian Institution of Estate Surveyors and Valuers, NIESV, or the Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, REDAN. These associations offer networking opportunities, continued education, and access to valuable resources. 4. Obtaining a real estate license, optional but beneficial. While not mandatory, a real estate license can increase your credibility and allow you to work with some agencies or developers. Requirements can vary by state, but generally involve completing coursework, passing an exam, and registering with the relevant regulatory body. 5. Building your network, connecting and collaborating. Connect with industry professionals. Network with established agents, brokers, developers, and legal professionals. Attend industry events, join online forums, and actively build relationships within the real estate community. Develop your client base. Start by leveraging your personal network. Let friends, family, and former colleagues know about your career shift and seek referrals. Utilize online platforms and social media marketing to build your online presence and attract potential clients. 6. Understanding legal requirements and regulations. Familiarize yourself with Nigerian property laws, including tenancy agreements, property sales and purchase procedures, and landlord-tenant rights. Staying updated on relevant regulations ensures you provide accurate information and operate ethically. 7. Building your brand, standing out in the market. Develop your unique value proposition. Identify what sets you apart from other agents. Focus on a specific geographic area. Specialize in property types like luxury apartments or student housing, or cater to a particular clientele like international investors. Market yourself effectively. Create a professional website or online profile showcasing your expertise and available listings. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and market your services. 8. Mastering the art of client service. Building successful client relationships is key to a thriving real estate career. Be responsive, patient, and genuinely interested in understanding your clients' needs. Provide clear communication, keep your clients informed throughout the process, and prioritize their satisfaction. The Nigerian real estate landscape, a diverse market with unique opportunities. Nigeria's real estate market presents diverse opportunities in major cities like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, as well as in emerging areas with exciting potential. Whether you specialize in high-end residential properties, commercial spaces, or land development, there's a niche waiting to be explored. Continuous learning and adaptability. Keys to long-term success. The real estate industry is dynamic. Staying informed about market trends, adapting to new technologies, and continuously honing your skills are essential for sustained success. Launching your real estate career. Practical steps. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This roadmap will guide your initial steps and help you stay focused. Develop a financial strategy. Consider the costs associated with training, licensing, if applicable, marketing, and operational expenses. Explore financing options if needed. Invest in essential tools. Equip yourself with a reliable computer, a smartphone with a good camera, and access to relevant real estate software for property listings and client management. Obtain professional insurance. Protect yourself and your clients with proper insurance coverage. Marketing yourself in the digital age. Embrace online marketing. Utilize high-quality photos and virtual tours to showcase properties. Explore online advertising platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads to target potential clients in your chosen area. Content marketing. Become a resource for your audience. Create informative blog posts or social media content on topics like property buying guides, neighborhood spotlights, or market trends. Leverage social media. Build your online presence by creating engaging content and interacting with potential clients on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Building a strong reputation. Go the extra mile. Exceed client expectations by providing personalized service and going above and beyond to ensure their satisfaction. Seek client testimonials. Positive testimonials from satisfied clients are powerful marketing tools. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews online or provide written testimonials for your website. Stay informed and educate your clients. Knowledge is power. Keep yourself updated on market trends, legal regulations, and relevant news to educate your clients and provide valuable insights. Beyond the basics, advanced strategies for growth. Specialize in a niche. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a specific market segment like luxury properties, student housing, or property management. This allows you to develop deeper expertise and attract a targeted clientele. Build strategic partnerships. Collaborate with other real estate agents, mortgage lenders, lawyers, and home inspectors. By building a network of trusted professionals, you can offer your clients a well-rounded service experience. Remember, success in real estate takes time, dedication, and a commitment to learning. By consistently providing excellent service, staying informed, and adapting your strategies, you can build a thriving real estate career in Nigeria's dynamic market.